Our speaker for today, Roh Eun Woo.
What's the sky? What can you see? Mostly everyone will say birds. Now, what words can you imagine when you hear the word bird?
Bird? Lion.
Eagle.
Eagle. Parrot. Lovebirds. Crab. Wow.
Okay. Imagine, what if I am a bird? Do you think I can fly?
No,
Why?
because it looks like a bear.
Not a bird. You cannot, because of your body structure.
Is there a factor why all birds can fly?
Maybe.
Well, I think you're somewhat right, but not all birds can fly. Hello everyone, my name is Aiden, and today my mouth is so itchy to give you all the information about the flightless birds. Can you tell me the bird species that you know?
Eagle.
Crow. Parrot.
Okay, maybe most people would think all birds can fly, but not all birds can fly. There are some birds are flightless. Kiwi, ostrich, dodo, and penguin are some well-known birds that do not fly. But there are more species that are flightless. Because of the several factors, Now, let me tell you these factors. Basically, birds fly because of their wings. When they flap it, the air passes through and it makes them fly. Their strong breast muscles also enable them to fly. Their body structure, like light bones, strong legs, and specially shaped wings. Now, why some birds can't fly like penguins? First, because of their body structure. Penguins' body is built for swimming and diving. Their feathers and small wings are not for flying, but for navigate faster than in water. Some birds, like steamer dogs, cannot fly because they are too heavy to lift off. Ostrich cannot fly because their strong legs are built for run faster than other flight birds. As you can see, birds are not called birds just because they fly. You can understand from my topic. We can realize that all birds cannot fly. It's amazing that they not fly, but God made them for more something great. Maybe I think people are also made for differently for the different purpose. Thank you.